What's up? What's up? How is everybody doing? I'm over here at Hill City, coming over to the museum and checking it out. So I can give you a little tour of the place as I go through it. Yeah, there's another reason why we came in. We got a storm coming in. So Black Hills Central Railroad, State Railroad Museum. So here in South Dakota. So give you and here's this lovely gentleman who's going to greet you. Hey,
good afternoon.
How you doing, Rick?
Doing
good.
fine.
Good stuff. Michael, Dark Souls Corner.
Okay.
So, tell us a little bit about your museum.
Well, the museum itself has been here for 14 years. We are located on the same property as the Black Hills Central 1880 train here in Hill City. We have lots of things in here related to railroads in South Dakota, as well as other South Dakota history. Big model train layout, a caboose that actually is one of the last wooden cabooses built in the United States back in 1947. Kind of a hybrid between between wood and steel construction. And then we have a lot of other things related to the railroads of South Dakota.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, I was coming through Hill City Road there, and we came across an actual running steam locomotive. Is it, or
that's correct.
Or is it coal or oil?
It's an oil burner. Yeah.
Oil burner.
It burns
Okay.
recycled motor oil.
Okay.
Yeah, and that Black Hills Central Railroad has been operating for 67 years continuously here in Hill City.
Oh, okay, cool and everything. So, anything else you want to add to that?
No, but I think it's just we've got a lot of things, and even if you're not into trains per se, we have a lot of things from South Dakota history, because there's so many interconnections and everything. But a lot of people love the model train layout, 300 square feet, so you can go in there and take a look at that, watch trains running, but you're actually still learning about history. So.
Hey, awesome everything. Thank you, Rick. I'm about to go in and take a tour of it and check it out and everything. So,
any questions, let me know.
All right, thank you, Rick.
You bet.
So come on in here and check out and let Rick check you in and stuff and give you a little timeline and everything. So here we go. I'm going to show you a little bit about the museum. So if y'all could pause that and read it. So kind of show you the timeline. First, let me show you the welcome sign. (1860) 30,000 miles of railroad in the United States. 1861, the Civil War begins. So. That kind of got in the way, but toll, please. Your trolley fare box trip counter. Yeah. So. So this is pretty cool. You know, I like history. So basically, I mean, this continues on throughout the wall, and I'll be showing more of it. So. So, look at that scale model. So, I'm gonna pause this and everything. I'll be right back. The caboose.
And one of them was that I got to yell in the heat. But he also gave me the caboose on every train. And I thought that there was only one caboose in the world. But he wanted to know how I wanted it. And I said, well, and so he said, well, you can do it. But you have to wait till the train comes back. And my brother, that was a family journey. And one night when he came down to eat with us, he said, I saw your caboose today. And I said, well, where'd you see that? Well, it's East Warren. And I think it ain't East Warren.
Where they cooked at. Eating the wheels. Okay, it's dark and everything, can't really see it. There we go, I got the light on. Coal bin. Oh, we can't get down this way. Gotta go back there. They gotta go back the same way. Say hello, Rob. Yeah, trying to get this right. Some of the old tools. Oh, the West was one. Due to copyrights, I won't be doing that. Steam Lizard. And here is the train layout. Model train. The Mail by Rail. So that's just another thing. A little bit of tour of the area. This is just one building. There's two other buildings. One houses trains. I'll be right back to show you all that. As I walk out, I'll show you the rest of the museum as I walk out. Walk into the other building and let this rain pass. So, there's J-Man and his old lady. Down. Couldn't pass up some ice cream. Had to get the ice cream.
Good stuff.
So, J-Man, so what's your thoughts of this museum so far?
It's a little small, but it's interesting information.
Rob?
Oh, it's there.
See,
Well, for the $6 and checking out, because there's a lot of history, a lot of old artifacts, and stuff you don't see today.
Yeah. So it's amazing. We get around this guy online. He can jab away. Get him out here. It's like full tooth and nail. So, okay, leave Donna out. And she's like, "Oh no, don't put me on camera."
Can't leave. No.
All right, here she is.
I
What
did-
do you think, Donna?
I did find it interesting because being Canadian to learn the U.S. rail is interesting. I was pointing out to Rob some of the things between Canada and the States.
There you go. There's her point of view. Canadian. Canadian. So, all right, we're about to go in this other building here. Oh, this is actually the depot here, I think it is, for the train ride. So,
Inside of my helmet's not going to get me.
oh no, this is the actual store stuff. Gets some memorabilia, some collectibles. Pretty cool. How you doing, ladies? Well, with that being said and everything, the rain is up on us. So it's a pretty cool. They do have a train ride. You board right here. So they do have a place to eat, along with the caboose. Due to it being rain, you can't go see the other artifact trains and stuff on the other side of the museum. Harley Davidson's here. Like I said, this is Hill City, South Dakota. Small little town. Nice. So go check it out. With that being said, take care, stay dry, and enjoy life. Life's too short. Live it to the fullest.